Halo semuanya, video kali ini berisi percakapan-percakapan dengan berbagai situasi. Latihlah dengan rutin kalimat-kalimatnya, maka bahasa Inggris Anda akan mengalami kemajuan yang pesat. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
What is the occasion today? What is the occasion today?
Ada acara apa hari ini?
It is my birthday today. It is my birthday today.
Hari ini adalah ulang tahunku.
How do you feel about it? How do you feel about it?
Bagaimana perasaanmu tentang acara ini?
I feel very happy and excited. I feel very happy and excited.
Aku merasa sangat senang dan bersemangat.
Will you have a party tonight? Will you have a party tonight?
Apakah kamu akan mengadakan pesta malam ini?
Yes, we will celebrate together. Yes, we will celebrate together.
Ya, kita akan merayakannya bersama.
What should I bring for you? What should I bring for you?
Apa yang harus aku bawa untukmu?
Just come with a smile. Just come with a smile.
Cukup datang dengan senyuman.
Is this a special occasion? Is this a special occasion?
Apakah ini acara yang istimewa?
Of course it is very special. Of course it is very special.
Tentu saja ini sangat istimewa.
Do you have a morning custom? Do you have a morning custom?
Apakah kamu memiliki kebiasaan di pagi hari?
Yes, I usually meditate and exercise. Yes, I usually meditate and exercise.
Ya, aku biasanya bermeditasi dan berolahraga.
That's a great way to start. That's a great way to start.
Itu cara yang bagus untuk memulai hari.
It helps me feel energized all day. It helps me feel energized all day.
Itu membantuku merasa berenergi sepanjang hari.
What's the most important custom for you? What's the most important custom for you?
Apa kebiasaan yang paling penting bagimu?
Drinking water right after waking up. Drinking water right after waking up.
Minum air putih setelah bangun tidur.
I might try adding that to mine. I might try adding that to mine.
Aku mungkin akan mencoba menambahkan itu ke kebiasaanku.
You should, it's simple but effective. You should, it's simple but effective.
Kamu harus mencobanya. Itu sederhana tapi efektif.
Do you think it's hard to keep? Do you think it's hard to keep?
Apakah menurutmu sulit untuk mempertahankannya?
Not really, it becomes natural over time. Not really, it becomes natural over time.
Tidak juga, itu menjadi hal yang alami seiring berjalannya waktu.
How is the law enforcement in your area? How is the law enforcement in your area?
Bagaimana penegakan hukum di daerahmu?
It's pretty strict. They enforce the rules well. It's pretty strict. They enforce the rules well.
Cukup ketat. Mereka menegakkan aturan dengan baik.
That sounds good. Is there a lot of crime? That sounds good. Is there a lot of crime?
Kedengarannya bagus. Apakah ada banyak kejahatan?
Not much, thanks to the strong enforcement. Not much, thanks to the strong enforcement.
Tidak banyak, berkat penegakan hukum yang kuat.
Do you think the enforcement is effective? Do you think the enforcement is effective?
Menurutmu, apakah penegakan hukumnya efektif?
Yes, it really helps reduce criminal activity. Yes, it really helps reduce criminal activity.
Ya, itu benar-benar membantu mengurangi aktivitas kriminal.
What kind of laws do they enforce strictly? What kind of laws do they enforce strictly?
Jenis hukum apa yang mereka tegakkan dengan ketat?
Traffic laws are enforced the most. Traffic laws are enforced the most.
Hukum lalu lintas yang paling banyak ditegakkan.
I see. It's important to have strong enforcement. I see. It's important to have strong enforcement.
Saya paham, penting untuk memiliki penegakan hukum yang kuat.
Absolutely, it keeps the community safe. Absolutely, it keeps the community safe.
Benar sekali, itu menjaga masyarakat tetap aman.
How do you use this new software? How do you use this new software?
Bagaimana kamu menggunakan perangkat lunak baru ini?
It's quite simple, just follow the steps. It's quite simple, just follow the steps.
Cukup mudah, ikuti saja langkah-langkahnya.
I see. Is it easy to use? I see. Is it easy to use?
Saya mengerti. Apakah itu mudah digunakan?
Yes, the interface is very user-friendly. Yes, the interface is very user-friendly.
Ya, antarmukanya sangat ramah pengguna.
What features do you use the most? What features do you use the most?
Fitur apa yang paling sering kamu gunakan?
I mostly use the editing and sharing tools. I mostly use the editing and sharing tools.
Saya lebih sering menggunakan alat pengeditan dan berbagi.
I should try that feature too. I should try that feature too.
Saya juga harus mencoba fitur itu.
It's really helpful for quick tasks. It's really helpful for quick tasks.
Itu sangat membantu untuk tugas-tugas cepat.
How often do you use this software? How often do you use this software?
Seberapa sering kamu menggunakan perangkat lunak ini?
I use it almost every day for my work. I use it almost every day for my work.
Saya menggunakannya hampir setiap hari untuk pekerjaan saya.
Who will carry out the project today? Who will carry out the project today?
Siapa yang akan melaksanakan proyek hari ini?
Sarah will carry out the project this afternoon. Sarah will carry out the project this afternoon.
Sarah yang akan melaksanakan proyek ini sore ini.
That's good. What's the plan for the project? That's good. What's the plan for the project?
Bagus, apa rencana untuk proyek tersebut?
She will follow the outlined steps carefully. She will follow the outlined steps carefully.
Dia akan mengikuti langkah-langkah yang telah ditentukan dengan hati-hati.
How long will it take to carry out? How long will it take to carry out?
Berapa lama waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk melaksanakannya?
It should take about 2 hours to complete it. It should take about 2 hours to complete it.
Itu seharusnya memakan waktu sekitar 2 jam untuk menyelesaikannya.
Do you think she will carry it out well? Do you think she will carry it out well?
Menurutmu, apakah dia akan melaksanakannya dengan baik?
Yes, she has a lot of experience in this area. Yes, she has a lot of experience in this area.
Ya, dia memiliki banyak pengalaman di bidang ini.
I hope everything goes smoothly when she carries it out. I hope everything goes smoothly when she carries it out.
Saya harap semuanya berjalan lancar saat dia melaksanakannya.
I'm sure it will. She's very capable. I'm sure it will. She's very capable.
Saya yakin itu akan berjalan lancar, dia sangat mampu.
How long will you occupy this room? How long will you occupy this room?
Berapa lama ruangan ini akan kamu gunakan?
I'll occupy it for about an hour or so. I'll occupy it for about an hour or so.
Saya akan menggunakannya sekitar 1 jam atau lebih.
That's not too long. What are you doing there? That's not too long. What are you doing there?
Itu tidak terlalu lama. Apa yang kamu lakukan di sana?
I need to finish some paperwork and organize files. I need to finish some paperwork and organize files.
Saya perlu menyelesaikan beberapa dokumen dan merapikan berkas.
Do you usually occupy this space? Do you usually occupy this space?
Apakah kamu biasanya menggunakan ruang ini?
Yes, I use it when I need some quiet time. Yes, I use it when I need some quiet time.
Ya, saya menggunakannya saat saya butuh waktu tenang.
Is there a schedule for how long you occupy it? Is there a schedule for how long you occupy it?
Apakah ada jadwal untuk berapa lama kamu menggunakannya?
Not really, I just use it when it's free. Not really, I just use it when it's free.
Tidak juga, saya hanya menggunakannya saat ruangan ini kosong.
I might need to occupy it tomorrow too. I might need to occupy it tomorrow too.
Saya mungkin juga perlu menggunakannya besok.
You can use it anytime, it's available. You can use it anytime, it's available.
Kamu bisa menggunakannya kapan saja, itu tersedia.
Have the prices gone up recently? Have the prices gone up recently?
Apakah harga-harga sudah naik belakangan ini?
Yes, prices have gone up, especially for food. Yes, prices have gone up, especially for food.
Ya, harga-harga sudah naik, terutama untuk makanan.
That's unfortunate. Why do you think they went up? That's unfortunate. Why do you think they went up?
Itu sangat disayangkan. Menurutmu, mengapa harga-harga naik?
Due to supply shortages and higher demand. Due to supply shortages and higher demand.
Karena kekurangan pasokan dan permintaan yang lebih tinggi.
Do you think the prices will go up again soon? Do you think the prices will go up again soon?
Apakah menurutmu harga-harga akan naik lagi dalam waktu dekat?
It's possible, especially with the holidays approaching. It's possible, especially with the holidays approaching.
Mungkin saja, terutama dengan mendekatnya hari libur.
How can we deal with prices going up? How can we deal with prices going up?
Bagaimana kita bisa mengatasi kenaikan harga?
We might need to budget more carefully. We might need to budget more carefully.
Kita mungkin perlu membuat anggaran yang lebih hati-hati.
I hope prices don't go up too much next month. I hope prices don't go up too much next month.
Saya berharap harga-harga tidak naik terlalu banyak bulan depan.
Me too, it's becoming hard to manage expenses. Me too, it's becoming hard to manage expenses.
Saya juga semakin sulit untuk mengelola pengeluaran.
Good afternoon. I need medicine. Good afternoon. I need medicine.
Selamat siang, saya butuh obat.
Good afternoon. What are you looking for? Good afternoon. What are you looking for?
Selamat siang. Apa yang sedang Anda cari?
I have a headache and a fever. I have a headache and a fever.
Saya sedang sakit kepala dan demam.
I see. Let me check our pain relief section. I see. Let me check our pain relief section.
Saya mengerti. Coba saya cek di bagian pereda nyeri.
Thank you, I need it urgently. Thank you, I need it urgently.
Terima kasih, saya membutuhkannya segera.
Here's a suitable option. Take as directed. Here's a suitable option. Take as directed.
Inilah opsi yang cocok. Konsumsi sesuai petunjuk.
How much is it? How much is it?
Berapa harganya?
It's 20,000 rupiah. It's 20,000 rupiah.
Harganya Rp20.000.
That's fine, I'll take it. That's fine, I'll take it.
Baiklah, saya akan membelinya.
Great. Anything else on your list? Great. Anything else on your list?
Baiklah. Ada yang lainnya dalam daftar Anda?
No, that's all. Thank you. No, that's all. Thank you.
Tidak, itu saja. Terima kasih.
You're welcome. Get well soon. You're welcome. Get well soon.
Sama-sama. Cepat sembuh.
I'm so happy to see you. I'm so happy to see you.
Saya sangat senang melihatmu.
Me too. It's really nice. Me too. It's really nice.
Saya juga. Ini sangat menyenangkan.
How have you been? How have you been?
Bagaimana kabarmu?
I'm okay. How about you? I'm okay. How about you?
Saya baik-baik saja. Bagaimana denganmu?
I'm good but very busy. I'm good but very busy.
Saya baik tapi sangat sibuk.
That's good. You work hard. That's good. You work hard.
Bagus, kamu bekerja keras.
Yes, I work very hard. Yes, I work very hard.
Ya, saya bekerja sangat keras.
You need to relax now. You need to relax now.
Kamu perlu bersantai sekarang.
I want to relax too. I want to relax too.
Saya juga ingin bersantai.
Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park.
Ayo pergi ke taman.
What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?
Apa yang kamu suka lakukan di waktu luangmu?
My hobby is fishing. My hobby is fishing.
Hobi saya adalah memancing.
How often do you go fishing? How often do you go fishing?
Seberapa sering kamu pergi memancing?
I go fishing every weekend. I go fishing every weekend.
Saya pergi memancing setiap akhir pekan.
Do you fish in a lake or river? Do you fish in a lake or river?
Apakah kamu memancing di danau atau sungai?
I usually fish in a nearby lake. I usually fish in a nearby lake.
Saya biasanya memancing di danau terdekat.
What do you enjoy about fishing? What do you enjoy about fishing?
Apa yang kamu nikmati tentang memancing?
I enjoy the quiet and relaxing nature. I enjoy the quiet and relaxing nature.
Saya menikmati ketenangan dan suasana yang santai.
Do you catch a lot of fish? Do you catch a lot of fish?
Apakah kamu menangkap banyak ikan?
Sometimes I catch a few, sometimes none. Sometimes I catch a few, sometimes none.
Kadang saya menangkap beberapa ikan, kadang tidak ada.
Where do you usually buy electronics? Where do you usually buy electronics?
Di mana kamu biasanya membeli elektronik?
I usually buy my electronics at Gadget Corner. I usually buy my electronics at Gadget Corner.
Saya biasanya membeli elektronik saya di Gadget Corner.
Do they sell laptops at that store? Do they sell laptops at that store?
Apakah mereka menjual laptop di toko itu?
Yes, they have a great selection. Yes, they have a great selection.
Ya, mereka memiliki pilihan yang bagus.
Are the prices reasonable or expensive? Are the prices reasonable or expensive?
Apakah harganya wajar atau mahal?
They offer competitive prices, I think. They offer competitive prices, I think.
Mereka menawarkan harga yang bersaing menurut saya.
Do they also provide any warranties? Do they also provide any warranties?
Apakah mereka juga memberikan garansi?
Yes, all laptops come with warranties. Yes, all laptops come with warranties.
Ya, semua laptop dilengkapi dengan garansi.
That's good to know. I need one soon. That's good to know. I need one soon.
Itu bagus untuk diketahui, saya butuh satu segera.
Let's visit the store this weekend. Let's visit the store this weekend.
Ayo kunjungi toko itu akhir pekan ini.
Great idea. I'll join you then. Great idea. I'll join you then.
Ide yang bagus, saya akan bergabung denganmu.
Good, I can't to visit that store. Good, I can't to visit that store.
Bagus, saya tidak sabar untuk mengunjungi toko itu.
What do you know about monkeys? What do you know about monkeys?
Apa yang kamu tahu tentang monyet?
Monkeys climb trees very well. Monkeys climb trees very well.
Monyet bisa memanjat pohon dengan sangat baik.
Have you seen a monkey before? Have you seen a monkey before?
Apakah kamu pernah melihat monyet sebelumnya?
Yes, I saw one at the zoo. Yes, I saw one at the zoo.
Ya, saya melihat satu di kebun binatang.
What do monkeys eat? What do monkeys eat?
Apa yang dimakan monyet?
They eat fruits and leaves. They eat fruits and leaves.
Mereka makan buah dan daun.
Are monkeys social animals? Are monkeys social animals?
Apakah monyet hewan sosial?
Yes, they live in groups together. Yes, they live in groups together.
Ya, mereka hidup dalam kelompok.
Do you think monkeys are funny? Do you think monkeys are funny?
Apakah kamu pikir monyet itu lucu?
Yes, they do many funny things. Yes, they do many funny things.
Ya, mereka melakukan banyak hal lucu.
What would you like? What would you like?
Apa yang Anda inginkan?
I'll have a cappuccino. I'll have a cappuccino.
Saya akan memesan cappuccino.
Do you want some cake? Do you want some cake?
Apakah Anda ingin sedikit kue?
Yes, a slice of chocolate. Yes, a slice of chocolate.
Ya, series kue coklat.
How is your coffee? How is your coffee?
Bagaimana kopi Anda?
It's really delicious. It's really delicious.
Ini benar-benar lezat.
Where did you get this book? Where did you get this book?
Dari mana Anda mendapatkan buku ini?
I bought it at the bookstore. I bought it at the bookstore.
Saya membelinya di toko buku.
Let's meet here next week. Let's meet here next week.
Mari kita bertemu di sini minggu depan.
That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea.
Itu terdengar seperti ide yang bagus.
What's your take on the cryptocurrency market? What's your take on the cryptocurrency market?
Apa pendapat Anda tentang pasar cryptocurrency?
It's highly speculative, but it's also innovative. It's highly speculative, but it's also innovative.
Ini sangat spekulatif, tapi juga inovatif.
Do you own any cryptocurrencies? Do you own any cryptocurrencies?
Apakah Anda memiliki cryptocurrency?
I've invested a small amount for diversification. I've invested a small amount for diversification.
Saya telah berinvestasi dalam jumlah kecil untuk diversifikasi.
How do you feel about the regulatory environment for crypto? How do you feel about the regulatory environment for crypto?
Bagaimana pendapat Anda tentang lingkungan regulasi untuk kripto?
It needs to be clearer for investors to feel secure. It needs to be clearer for investors to feel secure.
Ini perlu lebih jelas agar investor merasa aman.
What do you think about the potential of blockchain technology? What do you think about the potential of blockchain technology?
Apa pendapat Anda tentang potensi teknologi blockchain?
It has immense potential beyond cryptocurrencies. It has immense potential beyond cryptocurrencies.
Ini memiliki potensi besar di luar cryptocurrency.
Are you concerned about the energy consumption of mining crypto? Are you concerned about the energy consumption of mining crypto?
Apakah Anda khawatir tentang konsumsi energi dari penambangan kripto?
It's a significant issue that needs to be addressed. It's a significant issue that needs to be addressed.
Ini adalah masalah signifikan yang perlu ditangani.
How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here?
Sudah berapa lama kamu tinggal di sini?
I've been living here for about 3 years now. I've been living here for about 3 years now.
Saya sudah tinggal di sini selama sekitar 3 tahun.
Do you like the neighborhood? Do you like the neighborhood?
Apakah kamu suka lingkungan ini?
Yes, it's quiet and friendly. Yes, it's quiet and friendly.
Ya, di sini tenang dan ramah.
Have you made many friends here? Have you made many friends here?
Apakah kamu sudah membuat banyak teman di sini?
Yes, I've met some nice people. Yes, I've met some nice people.
Ya, saya telah bertemu beberapa orang yang baik.
What do you like to do here? What do you like to do here?
Apa yang kamu suka lakukan di sini?
I enjoy walking in the park. I enjoy walking in the park.
Saya suka berjalan-jalan di taman.
Are there any good restaurants nearby? Are there any good restaurants nearby?
Apakah ada restoran yang bagus di dekat sini?
Yes, there's a great Italian place. Yes, there's a great Italian place.
Ya, ada tempat Italia yang bagus.
I'd like to apply for a passport. I'd like to apply for a passport.
Saya ingin mengajukan permohonan paspor.
Certainly, please fill out this form. Certainly, please fill out this form.
Tentu, silakan isi formulir ini.
What documents do I need? What documents do I need?
Dokumen apa yang saya butuhkan?
You'll need your ID card and family card. You'll need your ID card and family card.
Anda membutuhkan KTP dan kartu keluarga.
Do I need any recent photos? Do I need any recent photos?
Apakah saya perlu foto terbaru?
Yes, 2 4 by 6 centimeters photos with a white background. Yes, 2 4 by 6 centimeters photos with a white background.
Ya, 2 foto ukuran 4 kali 6 cm dengan latar belakang putih.
How long will it take to process? How long will it take to process?
Berapa lama waktu yang dibutuhkan untuk prosesnya?
Usually, it takes about 2 weeks. Usually, it takes about 2 weeks.
Biasanya, memakan waktu sekitar 2 minggu.
Can I track my passport online? Can I track my passport online?
Bisakah saya melacak paspor saya secara online?
Yes, you can use our online tracking system. Yes, you can use our online tracking system.
Ya, Anda bisa menggunakan sistem pelacakan online kami.
What if I need my passport urgently? What if I need my passport urgently?
Bagaimana jika saya membutuhkan paspor saya segera?
You can request an expedited service for an additional fee. You can request an expedited service for an additional fee.
Anda dapat meminta layanan percepatan dengan biaya tambahan.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
Terima kasih atas bantuannya.
You're welcome. Please come back to collect your passport. You're welcome. Please come back to collect your passport.
Sama-sama. Silakan kembali untuk mengambil paspor Anda.
I am relieved the test is over. I am relieved the test is over.
Saya lega, ujian sudah selesai.
Me too. It was so hard. Me too. It was so hard.
Saya juga. Itu sangat sulit.
I studied really hard for it. I studied really hard for it.
Saya belajar dengan sangat keras untuk itu.
Good job. You must be tired. Good job. You must be tired.
Bagus, kamu pasti lelah.
Yes, I'm very tired now. Yes, I'm very tired now.
Ya, saya sangat lelah sekarang.
You should relax and rest. You should relax and rest.
Kamu harus bersantai dan istirahat.
I want to sleep all day long. I want to sleep all day long.
Saya ingin tidur seharian.
That's okay. You deserve it. That's okay. You deserve it.
Tidak apa-apa, kamu layak mendapatkannya.
I hope I get a good score. I hope I get a good score.
Saya harap saya mendapatkan nilai yang baik.
Me too. Let's be positive. Me too. Let's be positive.
Saya juga, mari kita tetap positif.
How do you feel about these options? How do you feel about these options?
Bagaimana menurutmu tentang pilihan-pilihan ini?
I like neither of them. I like neither of them.
Saya tidak menyukai keduanya.
What don't you like about them? What don't you like about them?
Apa yang tidak kamu suka dari pilihan-pilihan ini?
They don't match my taste at all. They don't match my taste at all.
Mereka tidak sesuai dengan selera saya sama sekali.
Do you have any other preferences? Do you have any other preferences?
Apakah kamu memiliki preferensi lain?
I prefer something more spicy or sweet. I prefer something more spicy or sweet.
Saya lebih suka sesuatu yang lebih pedas atau manis.
Maybe we should find different choices. Maybe we should find different choices.
Mungkin kita harus mencari pilihan yang berbeda.
Yes, let's look for something new. Yes, let's look for something new.
Ya, mari kita cari sesuatu yang baru.
Do you have any suggestions in mind? Do you have any suggestions in mind?
Apakah kamu memiliki saran lain?
I'll think of a few and let you know. I'll think of a few and let you know.
Saya akan memikirkan beberapa dan memberitahu kamu.
I need to file a car insurance claim. I need to file a car insurance claim.
Saya perlu mengajukan klaim asuransi mobil.
I'm sorry to hear that. What happened? I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
Saya turut prihatin. Apa yang terjadi?
My car was hit by another vehicle. My car was hit by another vehicle.
Mobil saya ditabrak kendaraan lain.
Were you injured? Were you injured?
Apakah Anda terluka?
No, but my car is damaged. No, but my car is damaged.
Tidak, tetapi mobil saya rusak.
I'm glad you're okay. Let's start the claim. I'm glad you're okay. Let's start the claim.
Saya senang Anda baik-baik saja. Mari kita mulai klaimnya.
What do I need to do first? What do I need to do first?
Apa yang harus saya lakukan pertama kali?
Please provide your policy number and details. Please provide your policy number and details.
Harap berikan nomor polis dan detailnya.
Here is my policy number. Here is my policy number.
Ini nomor polis saya.
Thank you. Do you have a police report? Thank you. Do you have a police report?
Terima kasih. Apakah Anda punya laporan polisi?
Yes, I have it here. Yes, I have it here.
Ya, saya simpan di sini.
Great. We will need that for the claim. Great. We will need that for the claim.
Bagus, kami akan membutuhkannya untuk klaim.
How long will the process take? How long will the process take?
Berapa lama prosesnya?
It usually takes a few weeks. It usually takes a few weeks.
Biasanya butuh waktu beberapa minggu.
Will my car be covered? Will my car be covered?
Apakah mobil saya akan ditanggung?
We'll assess the damage and let you know. We'll assess the damage and let you know.
Kami akan menilai kerusakannya dan memberitahu Anda.
Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.
Terima kasih atas bantuan Anda.
You're welcome. We'll handle it from here. You're welcome. We'll handle it from here.
Sama-sama, kami akan menanganinya dari sini.